Good morning, friends. I am Jayant. I head the Advanced Solutions and Services business for Ingram Micro India and SAC. Happy to be part of this channel Directions 2021 event run by CRN, and we're going to talk about how to co-create future together. I hope during these challenging times, all of you are safe and healthy with your families and friends. Let me spend the next few minutes in taking you through what's Ingram's vision in building this future for all of us. As you all know, Ingram is a technology and supply chain services leader worldwide with revenues in excess of $48 billion. We serve close to about 200,000 plus customers and 1,700 plus vendors across the geographies that we exist. We currently run operations in 64 countries, and 550 million units are shipped per year from Ingram. One out of three telecom companies worldwide trust their technology business with Ingram. We are probably the only distributor on the planet to have an ISO 37001 certification talking about ethics and business practices. We also operate 5 million plus active seats on the Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace, which is a fabulous build up over the years. Coming to how we deliver our revenues, and I'm sure we all will be interested in Asia. Asia is a very big part of our geography businesses, and India forms a very important role in the Asia business. This is how we deliver our revenues across the four geographies that we operate in. Coming to specifically India, India has been operating since 1996 for us, and we have delivered $3.6 billion revenues in the last financial year, one of the best years in the recent past. We are India's number one technology distribution solutions company and building new technology solutions and services all the time for you. We run 30 plus warehouses across the country, and 200 plus brands trust Ingram for selling their products, solutions, and services across 20,000 plus partners. We have some of the best talent in the country running these businesses across 2,000 plus associates. Coming to the line of businesses that we operate in India, there are five lines of businesses, starting with the core IT business, the cloud business, the services business, the mobility business, and the advanced solutions businesses. Today, let me spend some time with you specifically on the services business, which is very important and very key element of our growth engine going forward. I'm going to talk about three key practices or three key services practices that we run in India, and we're very proud to bring these services to this forum. And a lot of partners who are currently working with us are consuming these services right through all of our Ingram technology partnerships, right? Uh, Let me talk about first the professional services capabilities that Ingram brings in, which is around access, design, deploy, manage, training, and disposal services. Now, each of these services we run across a plethora of technology partners. As you would see, around compute, network, storage, backup, and enterprise software. We deal with some of the leading brands to deliver these services for our partners and our customers. Now, if you see, we bring in capabilities in the pre-sales part of the business where we do the solution consulting, the solution design part of work with our partners. Next would be the installation services, which cater to all kinds of technology products around network, storage, compute, or servers and security elements. The next build-up is around support and managed services. What I do here is obviously the entire managed piece across each of these technology towers and completely taking care of the operations on a day-to-day basis. The last but not the least is the end user support services around help desk, device management is also part of our professional services capabilities. All this put together brings in a wholesome, comprehensive services portfolio to all our partners to take it to their clients. Coming next to a very interesting platform, which is the IM platform. I'm sure some of you are already on this platform. This is a platform which is a globally operated platform from Ingram Micro. We are very keen to build this in India now, and we started this process of onboarding a whole lot of partners on this program. What does this platform do? Is bring in the buyer and the seller. It's kind of a services exchange, a stock exchange for services. Let me put it that way. It can actually bring the buyer and seller on the platform and ensure a very safe and manage transaction through Ingram to ensure that there is a complete visibility of the services that are coming in and the services that are being bought and sold on this platform. It's a single point of access for all our partners, and we're very keen to build this as we take our services to the market. We are looking at onboarding a whole lot of partners onto this program and take these services to the remotest corners of India. The biggest benefit that a partner on this platform gets is he can sell services in different parts of the country across different technology domains by seeking help from other partners who deliver these services for him. So one can really build your profile, right? You can build your profile beyond the solution sales to the services sales and create a very healthy, robust portfolio for yourself when you go to your clients. I would definitely urge you to use the I am link to get in touch with us and see how we can work together in building probably the largest such platform in the country. Coming to the cybersecurity services, this is a very ambitious business, and I'm sure during these times, cybersecurity is making all the right noises when it comes to our customers. It's a boardroom discussion practically in every organization today. With work from home really a new normal, security is becoming prime. So right from edge to core, the security business is so very important in building our services portfolios. Now, Ingram has been working on this for a lot of time in building very key elements of this security services business, right from the cyber security advisory services and technical services, which takes care of things like compliance management, regulatory issues that a client may face, and really providing those assessments to see where is the client's current security posture and what needs to be really done. It's a very crucial element. I would say this is the first step in any customer engagement in building the cybersecurity portfolio of the customer. The second most important thing is really dealing with a complex set of technologies and making them all work in a jigsaw puzzle, right? It is important to build a solution stack which works and which can really deliver the outcomes that the clients are desiring. The third piece is the real sustenance piece, the operations piece, where you ensure that on a 24 bar 7 basis, you are able to protect the client's infrastructure using all the technology solutions and services that Ingram brings to you. This is something that we would definitely want to co-create with all our partners and take it to a wider set of our customers. This is something which I'm sure will bring in big dollars, big money for each one of our partners. It will bring in a lot of stickiness to the business. It will also bring in a lot of connect, a long-term connect to our customers. So I would urge you again to explore these services with Ingram Micro. Let me run a quick video for you to just tell you what the services are all about in a very short time.
Ingram Micro is the largest technology solutions aggregator and distributor and provides access to over 100 security OEMs globally. To help our vendors and partners successfully deliver security solutions to businesses around the world, Ingram Micro has established 5 cybersecurity centers of excellence in Mexico, Netherlands, Serbia, the UAE, and Singapore. The APAC Cybersecurity Center of Excellence, based in Singapore, supports India, China, the ASEAN and ANZ regions. Each country has its own cybersecurity organization that leverages the capabilities of the APAC Cybersecurity Center of Excellence. But what does the Cybersecurity Center of Excellence actually do? Let's answer that by looking at its key features. At the very outset, it's important to establish that the COE is 100% channel-centric. We believe the best way to deliver sustainable solutions to customers is by enabling our channel partners who remain front and center of Ingram Micro's go-to-market strategy. The next most important aspect is cybersecurity vendor management. Given the importance of this space, a wide array of OEMs exist and cater to businesses of different sizes and complexities. Oftentimes, A single cybersecurity vendor may not be able to offer everything needed to stitch together a complete solution, and customers may need to integrate multiple vendors. This means signing multiple contracts, which can be a tedious exercise. Ingram Micro can simplify this process by front-ending vendor engagements and taking the pain out of this process. It also helps that Ingram Micro has the largest portfolio of security vendors, which gives partners and customers greater choice and flexibility. Ingram Micro helps you leverage our vendor relationships and provide support when you need it the most. Once you have the right vendors in place, our security consulting and services division helps facilitate conversations with CIOs and CISOs. Partners can position and articulate cybersecurity values that resonate with your customers' business problems. Ingram Micro can act as your extended pre-sales and post-sales service partner, and even assign a dedicated business development manager to work closely with your team and help you win more cybersecurity deals. Once the conversation moves from pre-sales to implementation, our cyber solution architects will help design, architect, and build the right solution to ensure long-term maintainability and complete alignment with the customer's business goals. To ensure that we and our partners are constantly ahead of the curve, the Cybersecurity Center of Excellence provides a cutting-edge cyber solutions lab that showcases the latest and end-to-end solutions from our vendors. This lab comes with a state-of-art SOC, and partners are welcome to leverage our lab to deliver demos and proof of concepts to customers that boosts their confidence in the solution. The lab also shares research papers, guidance on zero-day exploits, cybersecurity use cases, and best practices. Finally, the cybersecurity marketing services create awareness about our vendors and creates a strong go-to-market motion through demand generation campaigns. All of these services are available to partners in their in-country cybersecurity organizations. Now that we understand the key features of the Ingram Micro Cybersecurity COE, let's take a look at the key problem statements and understand why Ingram Micro took this initiative of building an end-to-end cybersecurity practice. Based on surveys and conversations with our partners and their customers, we realize that the challenges faced by businesses in today's rapidly evolving cybersecurity landscape can be broken down into three buckets. Firstly, customers often need to deploy security products from different vendors, which increases complexity in meeting regulatory and compliance requirements, not to mention the manpower needed to manage these systems. Secondly, the cyber threat landscape is rapidly evolving. Earlier, it used to be just downloading new antivirus patches periodically. But now, cyber criminals are using increasingly devious means like ransomware, phishing, spear phishing, etc. to breach organizations' security perimeter. This highly fluid landscape needs systems that are easily configurable and can be changed and updated dynamically. Finally, and probably most important of all, cybersecurity is complex as it needs highly skilled engineers to deploy and maintain a comprehensive security infrastructure. It is not feasible for all organizations to have such teams in-house, primarily because people with these skills are short in supply and hence quite expensive. To overcome these challenges, Ingram Micro has created a security framework that combines products and services into security solutions. Based on the renowned NIST cybersecurity framework, solutions fall into 5 buckets, which are identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. This technology landscape would vary from country to country based on the locally available vendors, but does an excellent job of showing the depth and breadth of Ingram Micro's security portfolio. And we are constantly adding new vendors as required by the latest security threats. Ingram Micro has a strong team of experienced cybersecurity professionals And coupled with our unmatched vendor coverage, we provide a wide range of services that partners can white label and take to their customers. These services span advisory services, architecture and incubation, build and technical services, and optimization and support services. For end customers, Ingram Micro has a very compelling proposition that allows them to conduct a free risk assessment online. Cybergram and Spyglass are proprietary tools developed by Ingram Micro and are available to all businesses. If you are a CIO or a CISO and would like to conduct a free third-party assessment of your risk and security posture, please get in touch with us. And for channel partners, this is a great conversation starter with your customers.
So all in all, if I have to sum it up, there are six key elements of the services portfolio that Ingram is bringing to all of you, our partner community. And it covers the entire spectrum of services that one needs to take to to your own customers, right from the first step about understanding the requirements of the customer, discussing with the various stakeholders in your customer offices, and also taking care of high level design architecture that the customer may want to go forward with, going with implementation services, integration of various technologies, and then running the operations for them. Now, all of this are different elements in a services life cycle. We can definitely plug in the first step of your engagement and walk you through all the six steps and ensure that we build a very robust business together with you for your customers. So I really look forward to engaging with all of you in this journey and making this very exciting and rewarding for us. Uh, with my experience, I can tell you that once you sell a service to a customer, the chances are the customer will buy a whole lot of technology solutions and products from you, and the engagement becomes a long-term engagement. There's an element of stickiness in that engagement. There's an element of trust and faith in an engagement which is driven by services. So Ingram Micro is very keen to build the services with you together in this journey. So do reach out to all of us at Ingram, and we'll be happy to work with you. Thank you very much, and stay strong, stay safe. God bless all of us. Thank you.